ACDelco GM OE antennas have signal strength, clarity, and signal interference protection. Made with durable materials to withstand exposure to harsh weather and car washes. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment radio antenna mast receives the over-the-air, OTA, radio station signals for your vehicle's radio receiver, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Damaged or corroded antennas can impair radio station reception. These original equipment radio antenna masts have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for 2014 GMC Terrain SLE. Bought this for our 2014 GMC Terrain SLE after checking the part number on a different site. I knew there was a question as to whether this one had the same thread on it as the base that it mates to on our car, so I was skeptical. Upon arrival, I made a tiny slit in both plastic wrappers that the antenna was in so that I could thread it into the base before opening the package. I wanted to ensure that I could return it with no problems, in case I actually needed the other antenna. It fit, and now we can pick up radio stations with clarity.